In this quick tutorial, we're going to cover how to install Oracle VirtualBox. So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to download the software. Now, there's two important packages that we'll need. One will be the actual latest version, 6.1.22 as of this recording. And since we're going to reinstall this on a Windows 10 machine, so we want the Windows version. And another thing that I always like to install together with when I install my main VirtualBox is the extension pack. This would give us a lot more features when we're actually using VirtualBox. So these are the two files that we'll need. Okay. So that's my two files to install. Pretty straightforward. Double click. Choose your default location and install. Once that's done, usually I will install the extension pack as well. And in my case, because I already have it, I'll just reinstall it just to walk you guys through it. And install successfully. And it's as simple as that.